Okay, what is good, everyone? My name once again is Femi David Ocasio, and I'm here to show you an exciting project that I've been working on for a couple of days now. Kevin Assistant. So basically, this is an assistant for a founder of a company, Diversity X. Basically, what Kevin Assistant does is it has all the knowledge base of what the company is, the CEO's knowledge base. So if you pretty much have any question or anything you want to ask, rather than reaching out to the CEO himself because of his time schedule and everything, you could just come to Kevin Assistant and Kevin Assistant is going to answer all those questions. Apart from that, Kevin Assistant could help you book a meeting with Kevin, send you emails, and do a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to show you how to do it so that you could probably do this. And the thing is, some of these things look very little, right? In terms of what is the use, I can definitely handle my calls and questions and all of that and my support. But then when you really take time out to think about how much time is spent on customer inquiry, questions, trying to before you actually get to the things that actually concerns your business, you realize that there's a lot of time being spent. So with this solution, you could probably save up to 8 hours in a week, right? That's 8 hours in itself is a whole working hour of a day. So with just having this, it means that you could have an extension of 1 day in a week. So rather than spending 5 days in a week, Monday to Friday, and spending 8 hours a week, you can have 8 hours a day added to your time, to your productive time, because you now have an assistant that could help you manage questions, customer inquiry, customer support, booking meetings, making basic inquiries about the business, and also possibly even trying to dig deep into the founder's knowledge base. Kevin, for instance, is a legal practitioner, and as legal practitioners, sometimes people just call, I have this type of case, I have something I want to do, what do you think I should do from a legal perspective, and all of that. And those time actually eat into your productive time. And if you could have an assistant that could just do that for you and answer correctly and answer the way Kevin would have answered, and is also aware of Kevin's schedule, so that if you want to book an appointment, it can just help you book an appointment, send a mail to Kevin, send a mail to you, fix it, and everything is done. So I'm just going to show you. It's actually very simple, and I think that everyone can possibly just do it by themselves. So I'm just going to show, this is the UI from GPT. I would also show it connecting to a web so that you can see what it looks like on the web and also what it looks like in GPT. So let me just ask you a couple of questions and we'll take it from there. Hi, I want to, so Kevin is the founder of Diversity X, right? So let me just ask about Diversity X. I want to know more about Diversity X. Okay, so let's see what Kevin Assistant come up with. Hey dude. So Kevin used dude a lot when he speaks. He said, hi dude, I'm Kevin Assistant, how can I be of help to you? Diversity X is a vibrant and dynamic community of angel syndicates that focus on supporting underestimated founders. Here are some key aspects: community focus, investment approach, diversity and inclusion support and resources, expertise and leadership. So basically, these are things about Diversity X that the system already knows. So maybe let me ask, why should I be a part of the Diversity X community? I'm going to leave a link for this GPT, both for the GPT and for the web, in the comment, and also to the team, so that you could probably ask it question and like stretch it as much as you want and all. So basically you ask it any question and it's definitely going to answer you. So enough of this. I'll just show you like how can I set this up, because I believe the question would be, okay, I believe this can work for me. Okay, let me even do the demo. Okay, I'd like to have a meeting with Kevin. Okay, so if it says I'd like to have a meeting with Kevin, so it's suggesting, great, let's arrange a meeting with Kevin. Here are 3 possible times: Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday. Let me know which best suits you. So I'm gonna say I'll go with option 2, which is Wednesday, December. All right. Is it perfect? You've chosen Wednesday, December 6th, 2 p.m. Could you please provide your first name and last name and email address, because he wants to book that meeting. So let me say David test, email address, let's say test@gmail.com. Oh, I'm not going to be able to show you because I don't have a test@gmail.com email. So you see, he's asking, some of the info will be sent to Zapier. Only you can do this for this. You only do this if do this for sites you trust. So you can see the email. This is the code for the email. It said email test@gmail.com. Email subject is appointment with Kevin. Email body is Wednesday 6. So if I just say allow, currently it's talking to Hooks Zapier, because we're using Zapier to like connect to the email and send email. So your appointment with Kevin has been confirmed for Wednesday, meaning I've been sent an email, and Kevin also has been sent an email. An email confirmation has been sent, and if you have any question, need. So yeah, pretty much that's like what this does. So I'm just going to now show you the back end and how all of this works, and how you can actually set this up by yourself for your business. So let's go into edit GPT. Let's try and edit this GPT. Okay, that is not working. So let's just go into explore. Okay, I think I have to refresh this. And okay, here we are. All right, so I'm just going to try to edit Kevin Assistant, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is the backend for the GPT where you kind of like create. So I've done all of this before, so I'm just going to show you the configure side of things. So the name is Kevin Assistant, the description direct, and the tone it speaks, direct tech savvy assistant for Kevin at Diversity X. And this is where most of the magic happens in terms of the instructions that are given to Kevin's assistant. So this right here is and you can see it's actually very simple. There are things that you could just help with natural language, and the system understands it, and we're able to do that. Then the other thing is this knowledge base of Kevin. So this was about 970 something, I can't remember the number, but I know it's above 900 pages worth of conversations that Kevin has had in the last couple of years, I think about 2 years, and we're able to compress everything and like put it into like a text, like a two pages document, upload it, so that the AI has a very rich data when it comes to how Kevin works and the type of questions Kevin will be able to answer and everything. So conversation status, this was generated. Then the email, the assistant being able to send email and all is used Zapier, and this is like the webhook. I would copy this and drop it in the comments so that you could just copy it and use it. You just edit the things. So basically, if you're using this, I think you are really good to go, and it's going to be able to connect to your Zapier and help you like send emails. So you could just copy this and use it. So having said that, these are the setup on the side of GPT. You also have to now go and do some setup on the side of Zapier, so that Zapier is able to connect to your GPT and expect a response or a call from your GPT and also be able to respond. So I'm going to show you what Zapier looks like. Also very easy and straightforward. These things are like they've made all these systems quite easy to use. So the first thing is the webhook. You have to be on the premium account for Zapier to use the webhook. I'm gonna just move my face here and you can check it out. So this okay, this is currently in use, it's on, and that's why we're able to send. So let me just show you the edit. Let me edit it so that I can show what it looks like, and you can probably see the setup and just use that to like use that. So if I'm editing it, this version would have to stop. And all right, so I'm just going to show the app event. So the app event is a catch hook. There are other events here. You can do the catch, raw hook, retrieve pull, but for this email, so since we're expecting a call from GPT, we're going to use a catch hook. And the triggers, that's fine. Then the test, okay, Q. Yeah, I'll probably do another like descriptive video on how to. Okay, this is where we did the test, and you can see these are some of the requests that came and everything. And this is because we generated. Oh, I have to show you. So you have to first go to actions.zapier.com, because that's where you're going to get a link, and you see that Zapier already has all the actions for GPT here. So to get started, you copy this URL. There's actually a video that's very, very detailed about how to connect your Zapier to GPT by Corbin AI. I'm probably just going to link that so that you can watch that to like learn how to link your Zapier to your GPT. So, and these things are actually quite simple, and the value that they bring to your business is like enormous. That's like just a lot. So like, yeah, so let's just jump out of that, because again, the limitation to this is only people who have a premium account with GPT, at least for now, are the ones who will be able to like interact with GPT or interact with your custom GPT. Meaning, if you want to give this to your clients, your customers, to like say, hey, rather than talk to me directly, talk to my assistant, it wouldn't really work. So it now begs the question of, how do I get this thing on my website? How do I get it on WhatsApp? How do I get it on my Instagram, so that people can just connect and all? And when we have that conversation, we now talk about the assistant API or the assistant AI, and that is where we are able to expose this functionality to our website, to web, and to any other thing we want to expose it to. Alright, so I'm just going to go into voice flow right now because I've done the connection. Again, I think I did a video around this. So first things first, I have to run my code. I think I showed how to I can also put this code in the link so that you can have it, or if you want it, you can just reach out and I'll be able to share it with you. So basically you can see that I've put all these things I have here in the all the things I have here. Okay, no, edit. Okay, so all the things I have here in my instructions, right, that is like the one powering this GPT, I now have them in my code here. So you can see that's instructions, Kevin is a tech assistant, and so that the GPT and the assistant API are in sync and they understand themselves, because the thing is, while they're on the same system, they're like on two different platforms. The assistant AI is totally different from the custom GPTs, and for them to be able to do the same thing, you have to like give them the same instructions and connect to GPT as well, and then create the assistant API, assistant AI using your OpenAI assistant. Okay, so yeah, pretty much these are the this in itself, it's another like long thing, so I would probably not bore you with that. But then basically just to show, if I start conversation with Kevin right now, so you say, hey dude, I'm Kevin assistant, how can I be of help to you? And I can just ask it the same question, that hey, I want to know more about diversity X community. So the difference between this and GPT is the moment you ask GPT a question, it starts to generate the response and you start to see it. But on the web here, it's going to collect all the data, all the response from GPT first before it displays it to you. So it might look like it's slower, but that's not the case. You can see that it just displayed all the information at once, rather than GPT like typing and seeing how it is responding. So and this is it. Actually, you can put this widget on your website. You can also extend this to WhatsApp and give it a number so that people can chat with it directly, and also you can put it on your Instagram DM. So basically you're able to have an assistant that can help you reduce wasted time, or I wouldn't call it wasted time, but things that you could delegate. You could delegate and have a better productive time. So like you're running a startup, you can't hire an assistant yet, or you're running a company, and in fact, even if you hire an assistant, you have to train the assistant on your knowledge. These are how we do things, this is how we do it. But all of that, you can just do it in like a simple document, give it to the GPT, and it literally knows everything. And even as you update things in your company, you just have to update the knowledge base and everything is fine. So I hope this is able to help. If you want to know more about this, I'm going to be putting some links. So rather than like doing new videos of how to connect to Zapier, how to connect to using Replit to like connect to your website and voice flow and all of that, there are actually videos out there that I would probably link. I will link to this video so you could watch them, and those were some of the things I also watched that helped me learn all these things. So yeah, you could also watch them and do them by yourself. And if you want me to like help you in doing them, please just reach out. My email is going to be in the description. You can just reach out and we can schedule a call look at what your business needs in terms of leveraging artificial intelligence to like improve your productivity or improve your efficiency and reduce your cost. And yeah, we can just take it from there. So it's from me talking to you from here again. Thank you very much for taking time out to listen to this. Bye.